In this video, we will discuss how to find speed, velocity, acceleration, and direction of motion from the position vector. So this is the question. So this is our question. Find the particles velocity, acceleration, speed, and direction of motion for the indicated value of t when the position vector of particles in space at t is given. So we have a position vector and we have to find speed, acceleration, velocity, and direction of motion. First of all, we have a equation r of t. So r of t is equal to t unit vector I plus t square j plus 2t k, and at t is equal to 1. So first of all, we have to find the velocity, and we know that when we differentiate d divided by dt r of t with respect to t, so this will give us velocity. This will give us velocity. So this is equal to v, velocity. So velocity will become v of t will become so this will become 1 I plus 2t j, and this will become plus 2k. So this is our velocity. When we differentiate this with respect to t, d divided by dt, v of t is equal to d divided by dt I plus 2t j plus k. So this will give us acceleration. So this is equal to acceleration is equal to a of t is equal to, this will become 0. So 0 plus 2 plus 0. So a of t is equal to 2. So this is our acceleration. This is our velocity. Now we will find speed. Speed is equal to, so v of t, this is our velocity I plus 2t plus 2k. So speed is equal to under root 1 square plus 2t square plus 2 square. So this will become 1 plus 4t square plus 4. By putting t is equal to 1, so this will become this. So this is equal to 9 is equal to 3. So this is speed. Now we will find the direction of motion. So by putting t is equal to 1, so this will become v of 1 is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k. Now we have to find the direction of motion. Speed is equal to this speed, we can write it as this magnitude of v. So speed, direction of motion is equal to velocity v divided by v magnitude. So this will become v is equal to we have I plus 2j plus 2k, I plus 2j plus 2k, and divided by 3. So this will become 1 divided by 3i plus 2 divided by 3j plus 2 divided by 3k. So this is our direction of motion. This is our velocity, this is our acceleration, this is our speed, and this is our direction of motion. Now we discuss second part of this question. Second part, we have r of t is equal to cos of t I plus sine of t j plus 3 t k at t is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to solve this. First of all, we will find the velocity. V of t is equal to d divided by dt r of t. So d of dt cos of ti plus sine of t j plus 3t k. So this will become v of t is equal to so derivative of cos of t is minus sin t. So this will become plus cos of t j, and this will become plus 3k. Now we take again derivative of this one. Taking derivative of this one will give us acceleration. A of t. So which will become minus sine, so minus cos of t I minus sine of t j plus 0. So this will become a of t is equal to minus cos of t I minus sine of t j. So for acceleration and vt and at, put t is equal to pi by 4. So v of pi by 4 is equal to minus pi by 4 I plus cos of pi by 4 j plus 3 of k. So this will become minus 1 divided by under root 2 plus 1 divided by under root 2. So this is I and this is j plus 3 k. So this is our velocity v of pi by 4, and a of pi by 4 will become minus cos of pi by 4. So this will become minus 1 divided by under root 2 I, and this will become minus 1 divided by under root 2 j. So this is our acceleration and this is our velocity. Now we will find the speed. Speed is equal to under root 1 divided by under root 2 square plus 1 divided by under root 2 square and plus 3 square. So this will become 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 is plus 9. So this will become 2, 1 plus 1 plus 18. So this will become under root 20 divided by 2. So this is equal to under root 10. Now we will find direction of motion of the body. So for direction of the motion of the body, we have v direction of motion is equal to velocity v divided by speed, magnitude of v. So this will become minus 1 divided by under root 2 I plus 1 divided by under root 2 j plus 3k whole divided by under root 10. So this will become minus 1 divided by under root 20 plus 1 divided by under root 20 plus 3 divided by under root 10 j, k, j and I. So this is our direction of motion of the body. So we will discuss next part of the question. Now we will discuss third part of the question. Third part of the question is part C is R of t is equal to R of t is equal to R of t is equal to e power ti plus e power minus t j and plus e power 2t k at t is equal to natural log of 2. So we have to solve this. For velocity we have to differentiate this. This will become dt vt is equal to d divided by dt, r of t is equal to d divided by dt is equal to t, this one, plus e power minus t plus e power 2 t k j and I. So this will become v of t is equal to, take derivative of this one, e power t is equal to e power t plus this one become minus e power minus t and j plus e power 2t and 2 will become here. So this one, so this is our velocity. Now we will find acceleration of this one by differentiating this one with respect to t. A of t is equal to e power t I plus e power minus t, and this will become plus 4 e power 2t k. So this is our acceleration. This is our acceleration. Now put value of t in this equation. So v of t is equal to e power natural log of 2 I plus minus e power minus natural log of 2 plus 4 sorry. So v of t we have, so this will become e power t e power natural log of 2 minus e power minus natural log of 2j plus 2 e 2 natural log of 2k. So this is our velocity, and for acceleration a of natural log of 2 natural log of 2. So this will become e power natural log of 2 I plus e power minus natural log of 2 plus 4 e 2 natural log of 2k. So this is our acceleration. For speed we have v of v is equal to, so this is our speed. We can calculate speed as this one, e natural log of 2 whole square plus e power minus natural log of 2 whole square plus 2 natural log of 2 whole square. So this is our speed v, and for direction we have to find this one, this divided by this one. So this will give us direction of motion. So this is velocity, this is acceleration, and this is direction of motion. You solve this one and you can easily find the direction of motion by this equation. In the next video we will start next chapter of this book, chapter number 6.